Guys, today we will be checking out the AOHI Magcube 30W mini GaN fast charger. It is one of the world's smallest 30W PD chargers released into the market. It is made to provide portability and functionality all at once. The product packaging looks good and presentable. Let's proceed to unbox the charger from the packaging. Inside the box, you will find one user guide, packed securely in the retail packaging. Next out is the AOHI Magcube 30W GaN PD fast charger. It looks really compact and miniature. Packed nicely in a cardboard packing. Now let's proceed to check the features of this charger. On first look, the AOHI Magcube charger looks solid and durable. It is covered in matte black coating to make it more resistant to scratches and fingerprint as compared to a glossy coating. The design at the front of the charger is prestige and elegant. It has a precision carved diamond vein design running through the front of the charger, further accentuating the elegance of the device. It is universally compatible with many different electronic devices. For example, it supports many iOS devices like the iPhone, Mac, and makes a great charger to bring around for all your iOS devices to charge them while you are out and about, since this charger is really portable. It is super small and compactly designed. Just look at the size of it in my palm. Don't underestimate its size. It is small, yet powerful and safe thanks to the latest GaN Plus technology for better power transmission and energy dissipation. To use, simply plug it into your power outlet and turn it on. You should see a green LED indicator light when turned on, so you know you are ready to use it. AOHI also has a range of fast charging cables for iOS devices with a lightning cable and Android devices with the USB-C model. The Magline charging cables provide an excellent addition to the Magcube charger, as it can deliver power to my devices more efficiently and faster too as compared to regular charging cables. Once you take the cables out from the packaging, you will see how neatly packed it is. The overall material of the Magline cables is solid and durable. The cable connection points are solid and elegantly designed with a smooth and glossy finish. The wiring is also made of a durable material for a longer product lifespan. Now I will connect the wires to the charger and to my device for charging purposes. Once connected to the charger, you will notice that the LED indicator on the charger will change, depending on your charge device. If it supports fast charging, the LED indicator will show amber, meaning it's fast charging. If it is blue, it will mean standard charging speed, while green means trickle charging. Pretty good feature to let you know the current charging status. My device is now charging up smoothly. Great. According to specs, the Magcube charger is able to charge up an iPhone 12 3 times faster than the regular default charger. 60% in 30 minutes. Saving you time. It also can charge up other electronic devices like my wireless Bluetooth case. As you see, I can just plug it into the Magcube fast charger and it will charge up very soon thanks to the GaN PD fast charging technology. As you know, the Magcube charger is really small and compact. I can bring it around with me in my work bag. As you see, it hardly even occupies the space of the entire pocket pouch in my zipped compartment, giving me ample storage for my other accessories. This is what makes the Magcube fast charger by AOHI really special. Its ergonomic size and design. As you see here, as compared with other chargers in the market, it is truly much smaller and yet offering powerful charging capabilities. Really awesome. Overall, I find the AOHI Magcube 30W fast GaN PD mini charger a really efficiently and innovatively designed product that helps people who spend a lot of time out curb the hassle of carrying around bulky and heavy wired chargers all around to cafes or work, when I can simply carry this lightweight charger that is small, compact and efficiently designed, so I get the same fast charging power capabilities as my other charger. It retails at an affordable price, and you can find out more about this GaN PD charger by AOHI with the link in description. Thank you for watching.